Hey y'all, so today we're working on a project that just kind of sprung on me here. So, Costco is a heck of a store. You will go in there for a box of diapers and you will come out with this right here. So I've got a big old play set for the kids. So Sadie has been really wanting something like this. I've been looking all over the place, and the only places that I've found them for anything that's pretty nice like this, you're looking at anywhere from about $2,500 all the way up to six, seven, $8,000, which is just absolutely insane for a playset. So I was in Costco the other day, actually this afternoon, and found this here, and looks to be a pretty nice little set here, and it was only 1,200 bucks. So, still a fairly hefty chunk of change, but given the alternatives, I thought it was pretty reasonable. So what I'm going to do, I've got some work to do. You see the tractor there. So I've been trying to figure out where I'm going to put this thing. It's 18 feet wide and 11 feet deep, and I don't really want it out in the field out here. We were working on that grass project out there. It's really sunny out there, and what we've had in the past, anytime we go to a playground or something that's out in the sun, the slides get almost too hot to play on. So I wanted to keep it in the shade. And so what I'm going to do is kind of renovate this little fire pit area. So we've got a fire pit right here. We don't use it very often, honestly. Maybe once or twice a year, if that. So it's just kind of sitting here, not really doing us any good. It's kind of an ugly area. I've got, some trash here to burn. And it's just kind of an eyesore. So what I'm planning on doing here is just clean all this up. I'm going to take all this trash. I've got kind of a trash pile in the woods just for wood and things like that that'll decompose. No plastic or anything like that, but stuff that's not going to hurt the environment around here. And so I'm just going to take all this extra stuff, throw it back there in that pile. I'm going to take the railroad ties and just stack them up off to the side because I may reuse those. I'm thinking about getting, once I get this cleaned up and kind of leveled out, it's pretty much level, but this side over here is a little bit lower, so I'm probably just going to drag some of the dirt from over there over here and level it out. But I'm thinking what I'm going to do is once I get all of that taken care of and get it leveled out and ready to go, I'm going to take those railroad ties and put them in kind of a perimeter around where this play set's going to be, and go get a bunch of mulch and put it down just so they'll have just kind of a soft area instead of this rock hard dirt that we've got around here. This red clay just gets so hard. So I think I'm going to just fill it in with mulch and just give them a nice soft area to play. Anyway, that's the plan here. So we're going to get on the tractor, get some stuff moving, and we'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm definitely not a grader. This took way longer than it should have, but we got done. So I got everything graded and got the railroad ties put back up. So it's ready for mulch. I think I'm gonna get some playground mulch like cypress chips and put it in there. And that should keep it nice and clean. This topsoil is really dusty. And plus, like I said earlier, I just want a soft area for the kids. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this thing in the garage. So it's a pretty big play set, as we saw earlier. This is a 6.5 foot bed. It's not the short bed, but it's not a long bed either. So those are probably 7 feet long boxes. So we're gonna get them loaded up on the pallet here and just drop them off in the garage, and that way whenever we get to installing it or putting it together, assembling it I guess would be the term, pick it up with the pallet forks, take it over there and get to work. So no,